Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create a QR code using Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank presentation open in Canva, and it literally has just only one slide. However, that is unimportant, and very easily you can use a built-in sort of app or a, well, tool, which you can then use to create a QR code within Canva itself. Now, all you need to do in the left toolbar, and you'll excuse me for the different language, I cannot change it to English. You just need to go to applications at the very bottom and then scroll down until you get to popular, and at popular you should see QR code. You just click on that, click open, and then it'll allow you to enter a QR code. All you need to do is enter a URL, and let's say, for example, I want it to be this URL here. You have these settings here if you want it. You can add a margin, you can add the background color, the foreground color. The foreground is just the QR code itself, and then once you're done with that, you just click generate QR code, and as you can see, it has been added into the presentation, and that is literally all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.